Hi friends, I'm Sirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to make a strike to text effect on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a strike to text effect on your canvas sheet, I just going to show in this video. To create a strike through text effect, first step will select the text. You just need to make it as a strike through. For example, just need to strike only the strike word. So select that first, and then you have this option on the top, this option near the underline, and the keyboard shortcut key was Control plus Shift plus S, and just click this. This will strike the strike. So for an example here, you just need to strike only text in. So I just going to select this and just have the same process. You can see it's strike only that. So if you just need to strike hold this text, just select this cell and just click on the same option with strike everything. This is how you just use the strike to text effect on your canvas sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.